Introducing the Black Decker SPCM1936. This self-propelled cordless mower provides the freedom of a gas mower with the convenience of an electric mower. It has the ability to bag, discharge or mulch grass clippings. Now let's see the features of the Black Decker SPCM1936. Variable speed self-propelled system. You can adjust the mowing speed to your ideal mowing pace. Removable 36 volts battery and high-efficient motor. 19 inches lifetime deck and highly efficient blade. Adjusts height of all four wheels at one time with the pull of a lever. Instant start every time with the push of a button. Removable battery easily lifts out, making charging away from mower more convenient. 3-in-1 versatile cutting options, mulch, bag, or rear discharge. Soft grip handle provides added comfort while mowing the lawn. The mower can be folded for upright or compact storage, which is ideal for small spaces in sheds or garages. What are customers saying about the Black Decker SPCM1936? Check out the customer reviews now at topcordlesslawnmower.com.